Where's Jack? Jack, what you got to say for yourself? I want out, Mommy. I don't want to be in jail anymore. But we had a showing, so this is a good thing. We'll see how it goes. Wonderful with things with technology. The buyer got to FaceTime, so because they're from New York, so they want a place with lots of property. So maybe they'll like our house, guys. Wouldn't that be nice? All right. Jack, you got anything to say for yourself? No, that's it. Okay, Mike. Time to go out and do some running around. Want to run around? Okay, here we go. We're opening it up. And here we have the butt cam view. Off they go.
You come. No, you stay out.
You can't do that. You have to go in and indicate.
No,
I'm
Mike.
coming back.
Mike, come on out. Come on out. Let's go.
But I want to go for the car ride. I don't want to miss anything. Okay. Jack, you get door-to-door service, so I'll do valet. Apparently Mike's not leaving. Mike's going for another car ride. Okay, Mike, we're closing it down. Okay, watch your ears.
Mike, come on out.
No, I'm not coming out.
Get down.
Okay, now I'll close it. Okay, bye-bye.
See ya. Mike!